I'm not even ready for that. Like, I'm so shy. I'm so camera shy, guys. Okay, stop playing. So hi guys, my name is christelle-charles, and as you can see, that's my first video, my first YouTube video. So where can I start? So I'm 20 years old. Yes, I know I look younger. That's life, you know, black don't crack. But yes, so my name is Christelle, and the reason that why I choose to create and to start my YouTube channel is because I like makeup. Like, people that know me know that I love makeup. Like, I really love makeup. Like, if makeup was food, I will eat the makeup. Well, I understand myself, but yes, so makeup is my passion. I have an Instagram page, Instagram account for my makeup, the makeup that I made on myself and on other people, and it's something that I really love, and like I have a really big passion for that. What else about me? I love to love, I love live life, I love to speak, I love to talk with people, I like to get to know people. So I'm really excited that, you know, by creating my YouTube channel, I'm gonna, you know, get to know you guys, get to know new people, new faces, and I can't wait, you know, to start getting to know y'all. And what about it? I'm from Montreal, in Canada. I'm Haitian. Both of my parents are Haitian, so you know, I'm a Haitian Caribbean gal. I really thank God, because God put good, like really great people on my way. Okay, like I'm telling you, like I feel all the blessings are coming back on my way. Like I can't even catch all the blessings. I really thank God, because He put great people on my way, like amazing people, like people that know how to push me, okay, to push me to realize my dream, to really realize my dream, people that help me reach my goals. And I really thank God for people like that, that people gonna recognize himself, or they're gonna recognize themselves. But yeah, so I don't want to speak too much. Like I said, I like to speak. So for my first video, I don't want to make y'all be bored or tired of me already. So yes, I think that's it for my first video and for my intro. So I know this video is really reflecting me. I'm not a complicated person. So yes, I hope y'all enjoy the video, and that I did speak a lot. So if you like the video, like it. If you want to support me, subscribe to my channel, and see y'all in the next video.